I don't know about you, but this happens to me every so often. You're out filming stuff with your GoPro cameras, then you run out of charge, and then searching through your bag and your pockets for spare batteries, you keep coming up with ones that are empty. Well, now we have the solution with GoPro power bank charging units. So first we're going to talk about the differences between the both of them. So, with the ZGCINE, the weight is 335 grams when empty, and then 434 grams with the full capacity of 3 batteries inside. The XTAR GP2 is 204 grams when empty, and 269 grams with its full capacity of 2 Enduro batteries. To put that in some sort of perspective, the GoPro 10 inside the medium mod with a battery is the same weight as the GP2 when empty. The ZGCINE G10 is virtually twice the size of the GP2. But it's not twice the capacity. The ZGCINE is 10,400 mAh, whereas the GP2 is 6,700 mAh. So despite it being half the size, it's more than half the capacity. So on the back here, which is fully open on the ZGCINE, you've got a USB out for charging your standard devices like your phone, etc. And it also has a USB-C quick charge output / input, so it goes both ways. Inside it's got 3 slots for all of your GoPro batteries, from the GoPro 5 all the way up to the GoPro 10 and probably beyond. So if you're using anything older, the smaller size batteries, you'll use the included adapters in order to fit them into this slot. It also has 4 rubberized spaces to put in SD cards. To operate, you press this power button on the front, and that lights up all the LEDs and starts charging. When the LEDs of the top row are red, it means it's charging the batteries. When they're fully charged, the light just goes out entirely. If for any reason you want to turn this off, a double press of the power button there switches the whole unit off. The XTAR GP2 has a seal for the back charging port. So this is a USB-C port, but it doesn't output any power, it only inputs and charges the unit and the batteries inside. And then you can seal it with this rubber seal, which makes it water resistant anyway. So if you're out in rain, there's no need to worry. And there's a rubberized seal to make sure no water ingresses, and it has a magnetic closure. So the way this one works, it has red lights either side to signify which battery is charging, and when they're fully charged it will go green and then turn off. So whenever you open it, it activates it again and you can see if one's fully charged or not. It also has 4 white LEDs here which tell you how much power is left in the unit. So the main thing I wanted to know is just how fast is this going to charge my GoPro batteries when I'm out in the field. So in my tests, the XTAR GP2 took 1.5 hours to charge 1 battery. 1.5 hours and 18 seconds to be precise. And whereas the ZGCINE took 2.5 hours. 2 hours, 28 minutes and 29 seconds to be precise to charge a single battery. A whole hour slower than the GP2. But wait, don't smash it! It still has its plus points. For instance, you've got the power output, so it charges your other devices, and it does have a bigger capacity than the GP2. So if you don't need your batteries charged as quickly as possible, then maybe this is still an option for you. But if you want your batteries charged quickly and efficiently, the GP2 is probably the one for you. Something else I prefer about the ZGCINE is that it's got rubberized compartments for your SD cards, whereas the XTAR GP2 is just plastic. So it just feels a lot more secure and less concerned about it sort of chipping away at your SD card or anything like that. But wait, there's more. We're also giving away 1 XTAR GP2 to a lucky viewer. So all you need to do to be in with a chance of winning is comment below with what you would use your GP2 for. So what kind of adventures do you think it's best suited for? Maybe just for going down to the shops, maybe for vlogging your children, or maybe you're an adventurer who goes like backflipping off waterfalls and you want to have as much charge as possible to capture all those moments. So good luck with the competition, and as always, see you in the next one.